Good morning friends. As you all are aware that budget 2025 was tabled on 1st February 2025 by our Honorable Finance Minister and a sea of amendments have been proposed for charitable organizations. I am Ashis Agarwal from Team NGOenabler and today in my video I am going to discuss only those key highlights from the budget which either have an impact or are relevant for the NGO sector. The first and the most important amendment of all, which is a huge relief for small organizations, is the proposal to increase the validity of 12A registration from 5 years to 10 years. But only in those cases whose total income does not exceed rupees 5 crores in each of the 2 years preceding the year of application. Yes, you heard that right. Smaller organizations have been given relaxation by providing them the registration for a tenure of 10 years. But whether the existing 5 years registration shall be auto-extended to 10 years or they need to apply for renewal as per the existing provisions and shall then get the certificate with 10 years validity is not very clear. We will discuss this in our next upcoming video on Budget 2025, a detailed and complete analysis. Next important amendment for NGOs have been made in the definition of specified persons under section 13(3) concerning persons who have made substantial contributions to an organization. As per the existing provisions, any person who has made the substantial contribution to the organization which exceeds rupees 50,000 up to the end of the relevant previous year, I repeat, any person who has made the substantial contribution to the organization which exceeds rupees 50,000 up to the end of the relevant previous year was considered as a specified person as defined in section 13 subsection 3 clause B. The budget 2025 have proposed to increase this limit in two parts: rupees 1 lakh during the relevant previous year and rupees 10 lakhs in aggregate up to the end of the relevant previous year. I repeat, rupees 1 lakh during the relevant previous year and rupees 10 lakh in aggregate up to the end of the relevant previous year. Along with this, in clause D and clause E of the said subsection, where the relative of such donor and the concerns in which the donors are substantially interested were also used to be covered as a specified person and has now been proposed to be removed. So, the relative of substantial contributor and the concern in which they are substantially interested both shall now no longer be treated as a specified person. In our opinion, it will enable the organizations to now compile and report the details more effectively. Another amendment which was necessary to avoid unnecessary litigations and harassment to the NGOs has been made in section 12AB subsection 4. Now, a small mistake or incomplete information while filing the application for registration shall not be considered as a specified violation. So basically, the definition of specified violation has been amended and the cancellation proceedings cannot be initiated by the income tax authorities solely because the application is incomplete or contains incorrect information and have minor deficiencies. I would also like to discuss here the amendments made in the threshold for TDS deductions on certain nature of payments which is usually relevant for NGOs. The threshold limit under section 194J and 194I has been revised from their existing rupees 30,000 and rupees 2.4 lakhs to rupees 50,000 and rupees 6 lakh respectively. Thus, now the TDS on professional or technical services shall be deducted only when the annual aggregate payment shall exceed rupees 50,000 for the same person, and similarly for rent only when the annual aggregate payment exceeds rupees 6 lakhs. So this was all about the major amendments proposed by the budget 2025 relevant in the context of charitable organizations. For more such updates, keep tuned to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe it and keep your notifications on. For any clarification, feel free to reach us through mail or comment below. You can also follow us on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn and Instagram. Thank you.